In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a scrollable design in Canva using quick actions. This feature only works inside Canva Docs, so keep that in mind. First step, go to the left side and click on Create, then choose Docs. I'm going to open a blank page. Once you are inside the document, click on the little plus icon at the bottom that says Quick Actions. From here, look for Scrollable Design and click Add Scrollable Design. Now you can either choose a template or you can create each page manually. I'll show you using a template. I'm going to pick this one, and you can choose to apply all pages or select only specific pages you want to use. Next, you can adjust settings like the duration. For example, you can set it to 3 seconds. You can also choose animation type. There is many animation styles, so pick the style you like. I'm going to choose the smooth one. If you want that animation to all pages, click on Apply to All Pages. When you're ready, click Save, and as you can see now when we scroll, we have a clean, scrollable animation effect inside Canva Docs. This is great for previews, portfolio pages, templates, product demos, and more. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more Canva tutorials.